Hi YouTubers, this is a review on the Spinner 2, Vision Spinner 2. I don't know what the hell happened to this thing, but as you can see, I only had it, well, you won't know that. I had it for 3 days. I pressed the button and nothing happens. I hook it up on the charger and it blinks like 3 times blue and then 15 times white. It turns off and nothing happens. Now, I haven't seen a review on these opened up or anything, so the manufacturer's going to send me another one and just said to toss this out. So I opened it up and I don't see anything in there. As you can see, I'm sorry, I'm doing this with my cell phone, so everything looks good in there. The pin is good. The pin inside is good. I messed around with the pin. Everything seems to be attached. It just doesn't do anything. It's just like you click it 5 times, nothing. 5 times, nothing. 5 times, nothing. I said to myself, let me open this sucker up. Anyway, they're gonna send me another one and do last time I was vaping on this tank right here, the VV Nova tank, and all of a sudden it was fully charged, everything was well. It just gave out. It just stopped working for some reason on 3 days. 3 freaking days. Vision. Vision Spinner 2. I fuck around with this thing here. Up and down, nothing. Nothing at all. Now, I open the motherfucker up to see what I can see in here, and I don't see anything. I don't know why this fucking camera doesn't zoom in correctly. It's just fucked up. Camera doesn't work right. The fucking thing doesn't work right. As you can see in there, everything is attached. The button is doing contact in there correctly. I'm afraid of pulling this thing out. I mean, you know, I could just bust it out and pull it out. I don't. See? Nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Battery, when I last had it, it was fully charged. I hardly used it for that day. I went on Wendy's, pick up a burger. When I come out, it didn't vape anymore. I'm like, what the fuck just happened to this goddamn thing? Luckily, I called the manufacturer and said, oh, we're sorry about what happened. You know, just toss that, throw it away. We're gonna send you another one. Brand new fucking battery. Brand spanking new. I love this battery. It was working perfectly for the 3 days. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I just pull that shit out of there and see what the fuck is going on in there. Maybe it's just the battery that's shocked. All these wires right here, the positive and the negative, are correctly done. This is hooked up right in there. The pin is right. The negative is right. The negative, the pin in there is correctly pinned in there correctly. I mean, it's no false contact, no nothing. I already checked for all that. And right in here too. Sorry about the fucking camera. This damn cell phone cameras nowadays, they suck. suck fucking biggest balls ever. It's a fucking trip. If anybody got any idea on how to pull this motherfucker out of here without hurting anything, which is gonna be, let me see why this damn camera doesn't. It goes red when I wipe that off. I don't know. It doesn't focus. It doesn't focus correctly. I'll have to bring it down. So you can see in there. Everything's in there. What I need to find out is how to pull this out without. I've been prying it out with the fucking tweezers. These pair of pliers, they're good for this kind of work. They're narrow and jewelers. The jewelers use this for jewelry. But I don't know. Well, anyway, I just thought I'd do a review. Oh, this thing wasn't that easy to take out. I had to put it on a freaking vice grip in the shop and vice grip this motherfucker out of here, because it didn't want to work the normal way. Like, you know, screwing this shit on and pulling it out with this, it didn't want to go with that. Oops. So these fucking batteries are cheaper. They're fucking $10, and they work better than these goddamn freaking VV Nova Vision fuckery shit. It's unbelievable. Well, has anybody got anything out there? Let me know, because I'm about to blow up this motherfucker. Spinner VV Nova. No, this is Vision Spinner 2. Sorry. Anybody got anything out there? Hit me up. Bye.